You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing, quite interesting medical term, an abnormal protrusion of the eyeball. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in English as exophthalmos. Alright, let's break it down. Exoph, PH is pronounced like F, it's from Greek. Exoph, thal, TH, thal, with your tongue between your teeth. Mus. Exophthalmos, stress on the thal syllable. How to pronounce exophthalmos. I know it's a mouthful, but now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.